Hey girl. So I'm really excited about today's video. I am going to, sorry, I'm just trying to get into this beat, honey. I am going to do my attempt at my first show and tell wig reveal, since the girls seem to like the syntheticas. I want to show you guys how I go about installing my wigs, what they look like when they first come out the package, all that good stuff. So if that's something that you want to see, then keep watching. She came in the mail today. She cute or whatever. In the meantime, between time, I'm going to get to this Outre Perfect hairline. Fully hand-tied 13 by 6 inch lace wig in the style Dominica in the color Havana Brown. She cute or whatever. Ooh. This might be interesting, you guys. So, first getting her out the box. This is what she looks like. Take this netting off. You can't see it. There we go. That is a pretty color. So I like to save these, especially like for making videos like this. I can go back and see exactly what I got, so I have like a little collection. It's also for manifestation purposes. So your girl, you know, I could do this. Y'all gonna see. Right off the bat, she has this elastic band. Now, the only thing that I'll say, because this isn't the first time that I've seen this elastic band in these Outre units. This is the elastic band right here, which is cool, you see. But I'm going to say to Outre, while I appreciate the effort, based on the placement of this elastic band, I feel like it's not like as effective as it could be. The reason being is because of like where this is placed on the band. This, I don't know if y'all can see that, where it's placed on this band right here. Usually when I see an elastic band, it's like more on like the ear tab, so that it's snug when you try to wear it glueless. So the last time they had this in here, I want to say I ended up cutting it and I moved it up because of that. Because like I said, the whole purpose of the elastic band is so that you can wear it glueless. So if it's not pulling down on the lace, if it's not making that, if the elastic isn't on the lace, then the lace doesn't have that friction, and it defeats the purpose of the elastic band, if that makes any sense. So that's the only thing that I would say. I would move the band to the actual lace, but maybe they do that because the lace is so soft, because it is very soft. But this is like a legitimate like 13 by 6 lace, you know what I'm saying? Well, technically it's 13 by 6 back here, but on the ear tabs it's not. It's only on the hairline. So also that's something to be aware of. But other than that, she's cute. I really want to try her on. I'm going to use, this is the last of my Tailored Crowns medium brown lace overlay. This is what it looks like. You can see it's not completely brown, like it's transparent, but I want to make this more for me, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna spray it. See that? And again, I don't know if y'all can tell, but she's getting darker. I'm gonna put just a little bit of foundation powder inside of it as well. I'm gonna do like some really chunky twists, literally just to get this out of the way. So I'm gonna do that and I will be right back. Me and you must never part, Akida. So we got the Sealy braids in. Cause I like to make sure my hair is smooth all the way back. Go on in my head, and I'm just gonna take my edge brush, make sure all my hair is pulled back. Put the lid cap on. Let's try it on and see what we're working with. I am going to adjust the straps. I always have trouble with these little straps because they're in like this little stretchy thing, and it has this hook on the end, and it's hard to get past it. This is annoying, Outre. Jesus! This little hook right here for what? Now I gotta get the other one off. 20 more minutes. In the back, it comes already on this very last hook. I like to move it to the one in the middle so that it adds more friction right here, right? So the construction of this cap could be better. Like, how long did that take? Finally, without further ado, oh, okay, hairline. Okay. Okay, hairline. Oh. Hold up, man. Ooh, she kind of cute or whatever. She kind of snug or whatever. This hairline though, like, I'ma fix the cap, but do y'all see this is Synthetica? Where? Synthetica, where? Let me learn something real quick. Hold on, let me learn something real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let me learn something real quick. This lace is bomb, okay? She bomb. This is what we're working with. That's not bad. Take some of my face powder, and I'm just gonna put this on the top of the lace, and it won't have like that gray cast, you know? Yeah, this is more of my steez. Sometimes it's not the lace, it's your cap. Ooh. That's it right there. That's it right there. That's it right there. That's it. Come on. That's it right there. That's it right there. Oh, that is. Oh. 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 Cute. I saw some girls, they would take it and they would do like a flip over. Ooh. But she real soft. The curls are very bouncy. I am just really like barely touching it. I'm really trying not to run my fingers necessarily through the curls, because I know that this is one of those wigs that is definitely going to get bigger over time. So I don't need to do much to it right now, you know? But I am gonna try a middle part just to see what it will look like. So this is the first snag that I've gotten. Oof. When you're parting it, you wanna make sure you're going where you wanna go, because you don't want to disturb this curl too much. But this parting space is really, oh, y'all see that? I don't know how that happened. Hold on. This parting space is really nice for me to have not done anything to that. Ooh, who that? Who that? Who that? Love this color. This makes me want to go brown every time. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos before I go and buy a new unit. My good sis Zar Galore. I think that's her YouTube channel name, but if it's wrong, and I will link to it in the description of this video. But sis, my good sis, put me on to this good trick for this wig. It takes some mousse. And instead of running my fingers through it, I'm literally just going to use it and like pull it down. Like not necessarily going through the curls, but just grabbing it and like pulling it down. And honestly, this is definitely one of those units where I feel like you don't necessarily have to do baby hairs on it. Like you can if you're just feeling it, but like how it is right now, synthetic wear. Synthetic wear. Not here. Y'all better stop playing. Y'all better stop playing. Stop playing with my good sis, okay? So, how did I do, y'all? Do I look like the girls? She's giving. Oh, people, but the rocks that I got. I'm still staying from the block. Hey, hey. Giving me Jenny Boricua. Sheesh. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this look, because your girl is feeling it, obviously. I love it. She's lightweight. She's bouncy. I'm gonna roll back, give y'all a little 360. It's the color for me. I can't say that I wear too much brown hair. In fact, I don't think that I've ever had a complete like brown look. Like if I did brown, it would probably be like black roots and then like brown highlights or something like that, but not just like all brown. So this is a bit of a shock, but I like it. I like it. I don't know if y'all peeped this, but Outre, y'all really stepping it up with these syntheticas, okay? Do y'all peep these layers? Don't play with Outre. Don't play with them. This is probably the best lace that I have on a synthetic wig, if I'm being honest. And I have a couple. I got a collection at this point. And as far as like 13x6 or lace front synthetic wigs that people advertise, this has to be the best one. I didn't have to do any plucking to it. Like y'all saw, I literally pulled it out the pack, put it on my head, cut off the lace. Here we go. Put on a little foundation on there just to blend it. But other than that, I really did not have to do much to get this to work. If I wanted to lay this down, I could. But even without doing that, like it looks really good. Like I would go out looking like this. You know what I'm saying? Like now I would very much be interested to see how she holds up, because that to me is the difference between a good unit and a bad unit, whether it's synthetic or not. If I can't go out for a whole night in this without worrying about it matting up or doing something crazy, it's not worth it. So for me, that's the biggest test. So I would probably test this by just like going out somewhere with this unit on and just seeing how it holds up in, you know, real life and humidity and all that good stuff. But other than that, love the color, love the lace, love the layers, love the hair itself. The quality is really, really great for synthetic hair. So I am very much pleased so far, you guys. I feel like the lion from Wizard of Oz. I don't know if that's what he was doing, but it's very much giving me the lion from Wizard of Oz, like, but glam. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about this unit. I love it, obviously, but I would love to know what you guys think and if you're gonna try it. They have a ton of other colors besides this one, so I would highly encourage you guys to, you know, if you've been wanting to play with some color for a while, this is a great way to do it. They have different varieties of like highlights and blonde. They had this one, I think it was chocolate cream. I almost got that one because it was like black roots and it was like ash blonde. I might have to get that one. If I do, y'all know I'm gonna show y'all. And let me know what y'all think. If y'all like this style of video, let me know so I can keep making them. And yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.